we'll guide you through how to create a blog on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up using your email or a GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button. You'll be prompted to import a project from a Git repository. Vercel supports frameworks like Next.js, so if you're using Next.js, you're all set. Select the repository you want to use for your blog. If you don't have a repository yet, you can create one on GitHub and initialize it with a README file. Once your repository is selected, Vercel will automatically detect the framework and configure the settings for you. Review the settings and click Deploy. Vercel will start the deployment process, and you can follow the progress in the dashboard. Once your project is deployed, you'll get a live link to your blog. You can click on this link to view your blog live on the internet. If you need to make updates, you can edit your code in your local development environment, push the changes to your repository, and Vercel will automatically redeploy your blog with the updates. This makes maintaining your blog super easy. Additionally, you can manage your environment variables and custom domains directly from the Vercel dashboard. If you want to add analytics or other integrations, Vercel provides a marketplace where you can find useful tools. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.